Welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 5th to the 9th of May 2025 on Monday. The Tabete family falls apart despite Bishop Lopez attempt to keep it together. Maruna is still dealing with the big dilemma that threatened her career on Tuesday. The Gigaba Tabete family hurricane shows no signs of slowing down. The road to success for a talented young man is paved with unsurmountable obstacles and sacrifices on Wednesday. While a husband begs for salvation to rescue his marriage, his wife silently pursues a path of her own design to expose him. Painful social media post divide the family on Thursday. Felicia stand by a decision that might wreak havoc for the Tabete and Genesis at a young bride to be is concerned when her dark and ugly secret threatened to come out and destroy her marriage before it even began on Friday. Gabriel, shattered and desperate, falls to his knees and plead to be restored by the woman he did wrong. Maruna confides in Wendy about her fears of intimacy with Bongo. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.